Namaskar, myself Pratik. In this session, we are going to see the demonstration of raising application errors with trigger. Let us start this session. In previous session, we have discussed the code of a trigger so that no operation should be performed on employee table on Sunday. For this, we have written the trigger. This trigger fired before every insert, update or delete operation on employee table. The level of this trigger is statement level. Then in declare section, we have declared a variable day of variable character type. In begin, we have extracted the value of day from system date keyword by using function to underscore char. We have used trim function to trim the blank spaces in the day value. After storing the value, we have used if statement. If day is Sunday, then a procedure raise underscore application underscore error is called. In this procedure, we have passed an error number and corresponding error message. This is the end if of the corresponding if statement, and this is the end of the trigger code. Let us move to Oracle Live to implement this trigger. Let us create imp table with only one column e number as number type. Table has been created. Here I am writing a trigger imp underscore Sunday before insert or update or delete on imp table. We are declaring a variable day which is used to store system day. We are comparing this day with Sunday. If day is Sunday, then we are displaying a user defined message. No operation can be performed on Sunday. In this trigger, I am not using raise underscore application underscore error procedure. First, we will try to implement this trigger without this procedure. It will help us to understand the importance of raise underscore application underscore error procedure in a better way. Let us execute this trigger. Trigger has been created. Let us insert a record in this table. One row inserted. So no action has been performed by this trigger. To see the output of this trigger, let us add this dbms underscore output dot put line statement. It will display a string today's day is concatenated with the value of day variable. So now this trigger will display system day every time before the execution of insert, update or delete statement on employee table. Let us execute this code again. Trigger has been created. Let us insert another record in imp table. You can see the output is one row inserted. Today's day is Wednesday. So this if condition is false. In order to make this if condition true, let us change this if condition from Sunday to Wednesday. Let us change this day to Wednesday. I have also changed the corresponding dbms output put line statement. No operation can be performed on Wednesday. Let us recompile this code. Trigger has been created. Let us execute this insert statement again. Now you can see the output. One row inserted. Today's day is Wednesday. No operation can be performed on Wednesday. This trigger has raised an alert that today is Wednesday and no operation can be performed on Wednesday. But still, this trigger is performing no operation to stop the execution of insert statement. So in order to stop the execution of corresponding insert, update or delete statement on employee table, we have to use raise underscore application underscore error procedure. Let us include that procedure. We have already discussed the importance of this in our previous session. Here I have added a procedure raise underscore application underscore error with error number -20022 with message no operation can be performed on employee table on Wednesday. Let us re-execute the code of this trigger. Trigger has been created. Now let us execute this insert statement. You can clearly see the effect of this trigger now. The execution of this insert statement has been stopped and it raised an error message ORA -20022. This error number is specified in our trigger and the message is no operation can be performed on employee table on Wednesday. So we have achieved our objective. Let us execute this update statement on imp table. So again, the execution of this update statement has not happened and it has raised specified error number with specified error message. Same way, the execution of this delete statement has also been stopped. Now let us change this if condition to Sunday. So here we are comparing if day is equal to Sunday, then no operation can be performed on imp table on Sunday. Let us make this statement as a comment line. Let's recompile the code of this trigger. Trigger has been created. Now let us execute this insert statement. This if statement has been executed successfully because today is Wednesday and no action is performed by this trigger to stop the execution of this insert statement. If you change this day with today's day and update your trigger, then the execution of insert, update and delete statement will not happen. As I have updated the trigger condition if day equal to Wednesday, since today is Wednesday, so this insert operation has been now stopped. Same way, this update and delete operation are not allowed on employee table. We have achieved our objective. This is all about the demonstration of raise_application_error procedure. To work more on such kind of problems, you can refer my book Simplified Approach to DBMS, which is available on Amazon platform. I request all of you to subscribe this YouTube channel to receive latest video tutorials on topics like data mining, machine learning, DBMS, big data, NoSQL and many more. To learn SQL in a simplified way, you can join this free online course on SQL, which is available at Udemy platform. I have also authored books on data mining and data warehousing, NoSQL, beginning with SQL and PLSQL for beginners. All these books are available on Amazon platform. To read more about this, you can refer my website prateekbhatia.com. Thanks for watching this video.